Hi everyone, so welcome to this video. In this video, we will be talking about Accenture complete hiring. Okay, and yesterday, as I said, we just need to wait for some time. You just need to watch this video from starting to end to get each and every query answered. Okay, you don't need to watch any other video apart from this one to get the full details of Accenture registration process, Accenture hiring, who can apply, eligibility criteria, errors, each and everything we will be discussing in this video. Okay, first of all, let me clarify each and everything, then we will move forward with the registration process. Okay, and please, if you have not applied, open the link with me. If you have any issues in applying, please open the link with me, because I am also applying first time, and we will see live if I can apply or not, if I will be facing any error or not. That I will be also checking in this video. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I just had a call with the Accenture university hiring. Okay, so university hiring. So there is one ma'am who is handling the university hiring, and I know her from quite a long time. So I just confirmed two, three things. First of all, she did not know about this hiring. Okay, about this hiring. But when I like shared this page, so she said that the job ID and the form link is matching. So yes, you can register. Yes, you can try and you can register. But she's not aware about this hiring. Okay, so you can register. Third thing, there are a very important point, there are a very important things. So for 2024 batch, already the hiring happened. Okay, but now this is for 2025 and many candidates will be registering for this hiring. Okay, the most important part is it is only one time application. Okay, it is only one time application. So forget about it. If you will register for it, then you can register it, for it again. Okay, they will be having your PAN card details, and in future if you will try to apply again, you cannot apply again. Okay, let me tell you this thing very clearly. And if we talk about cooling period and certain things, these things do not work in Accenture. In Accenture only luck works. For that we will be talking about that also separately. But first of all, okay, I think these all things are clear. Second thing which I want to tell you, when you are applying for Accenture, there are few points, okay, which you need to see here. Let's see all the details. So when you will go for the registration page, this is the registration page. Okay, and okay, so in the support tab, okay, you will be getting all the details of registration process, which you can read here. Chat with us, call us, detailed guideline for the registration form, each and everything they have mentioned, like what you need to fill, PAN card details, mandatory details and all. Okay, so also in today's morning I had a chat with the Accenture support team. I asked them what is the reason of instant rejection. So they told application may get rejected due to the various factor reasons, as it is based on the inputs provided during the registration. So whatever the rejection factor is, it's totally based on the inputs you have provided. Okay, we will talk about each and everything. Let's start with the registration process. Okay, first of all, I just again want to clarify one thing. It totally depends upon you if you want to apply today or you want to apply later after getting some more confirmation. I am just showing you the process again. I am sure that this page is genuine, the hiring is genuine, but it is totally your choice when you want to register. Okay, and I am just showing you the whole process how to register. Okay, so first of all, open the link with me and let's start with the registration. I already have an account, I don't have an account. You need to choose the option I don't have an account. Okay, without you choosing this option, the application process will be difficult. Okay, so when you will choose this account, you will be getting a page like this. You will be clicking on next. Okay, after clicking on next, it will load. Okay, and let's fill the full application form with me. Okay, and I hope you guys already watched the resume video, because I have mentioned some points in the resume video which you should have in your resume. If you have did not watch the video yet, please make sure to watch this video. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, there is first name, last name, middle name. Okay, so let's start with this. So each and everything I'm just filling here quickly. So okay, this is done, this is done. University number, we can fill anything. So first name I have already filled, okay, and middle name we can move as blank. Then last name we will fill. University number you can fill according to you. Okay, email ID you can fill according to you. Okay, and then primary contact number, this you will be filling according to whatever your mobile number is. Then WhatsApp consent, you need to click on yes, I consent. Okay, alternate mobile number, if you want to provide, you can provide. Date of birth you can provide. Okay, so date of birth I am providing here. Okay, after that, residing state city, very very important again, because yes, it also matters in the Accenture process that when you will be getting the mails, test mail, because for the nearby cities generally we have seen the students get the mails in the groups. Okay, then gender you can choose male. Okay, they have some problem with the males, but yeah, you need to choose your gender definitely. Okay, then address line, you will be choosing your address. Okay, after choosing the address, uh, okay, so you need to choose your permanent address. Okay, so one second. So we have already filled the address. Let's fill our city. Okay, fill our state, fill our country. Permanent address, we need to fill. The first one was the current address. Permanent address, both are same. Okay, so we can fill the same thing. Okay, okay, and okay. So let's fill it again. Okay, so okay, so this is also done. Okay, okay. Now up after this, we need to choose our highest education profile. Most important part here, you need to choose your degree, postgraduate, and whatever your degree is. Okay, in degree you will be choosing your exact degree. Please make sure you are using your exact degree. Okay, so suppose if you have done engineering, so you can choose bachelor's of engineering, which is BE. If you have choose BTech, then you can choose bachelor's of technology and a BTech. Okay, so it totally depends upon you. So I have not done BTech, but I am using BTech here. Now it is asking about college, so please fill your college here. Okay, branch, you need to fill your branch. So see, first of all, branches, all branches are allowed, so there is no issue with the branch. Okay, okay, month of starting, so you can choose your month of starting. Let's start. I am starting mine. Array, what is this yaar? Month of passing. Okay, percentage or CGPA, it's totally your choice, whatever you want to fill. Okay, like I am filling here my CGPA. What is the mode of your highest education? Full time, part time, you need to choose full time. Gap in education, no gap. Okay, because if you don't have any gap, you can choose no gap. Okay, total professional experience. Okay, so main important point is you should not have more than 2 years of experience. So do not include internship, they have also mentioned. So no experience you can choose. Okay, latest work profile, this you can keep it blank. Okay, skill details, primary skills. Okay, so see, in primary details I will be telling you something. Okay, so suppose if you don't know about SAP or asap.net, I would suggest you can choose as a optional thing in one of that. Okay, because sometimes it is important, like in primary skills you can choose anything which is relevant to industry. Please don't use like C++ and all. Okay, so where you have used this primary skills, so college project, training and job, college projects, so you can choose accordingly. Okay, and at least if you have done the projects, don't use in college project, you can choose college project and training. Okay, Secondary skills you can choose, definitely. So there are a lot of skills available. I would again suggest to choose some skills which are relevant to the company. Okay, so like I am using Java full stack web technology. SAP, SAP I would not suggest to use, but yeah, use something which is something relevant to the development. Don't choose like C and C++, Linux, Java. Like, don't use these kind of things. Okay, this is the option actually, to make something better. So use something big like Java full stack, where something like that. Okay, so you can choose it accordingly. If you have any certification, you can choose the certification here. Okay, if you have any certification, it is good if you will choose any certification. Like, there are a lot of certifications available, but if you cannot find any certification here which you have done, so these are the all certification which is the industry relevant certifications. Okay, so that you will be getting here. And if you are choosing any certification, please read the name, and if you will choose it, definitely it will be helping you. Okay, so I don't think there is any certification related to web or full stack. Okay, I don't think there is. There are the certifications available for only SAP. For Java, okay, for Java also, these are the industry certification. Okay, if you have any certification name, you can choose here. Language certification, if you have any language certification, you can choose that. Okay, otherwise you can choose the not applicable, not applicable, not applicable. Okay. So okay. Now, product lifecycle management. Have you studied product lifecycle management? So, PLM. So, if you have studied, you can choose yes, but I would suggest yes will be good. So, you can use yes. Okay. यहाँ पर theoretical, technical they will ask. You can choose theoretical. Okay, and they will ask the like some software names. You can choose as others. For others, if you can give the name, you can give from the Google also. Okay, PLM software, I would suggest if you will give it, if you have little bit knowledge, definitely you can yes. If you don't know anything about it, like PLM, if you have literally having zero idea, then please choose no. Okay, and if you have little bit of idea, please choose yes, and you can choose the software accordingly. Okay, preferred job location, again a very very important part. Okay, so you can choose your preferred job location. Also, I want to tell you guys, the package is different for the job locations. For tier 1 cities, the package is 4.6, and for tier 2 city, I think the package is 4.1, but there is little bit of difference in the packages. Okay, so please choose the job preference also. Okay, like whatever you want to choose the job preference. Do you complete your relevant degree within the stipulated duration of the time? So currently pursuing my education degree, definitely. Okay, so no, so you can use this option which is yes, complete the within the stipulated time frame. Okay, backlogs, no. No. Okay, very, very important. Have you worked in Accenture or any entity? So please choose no. Okay. Have you appeared for an assessment or interview? No. No. Okay. Please select your nationality, Indian. Okay. Examination details. Have you completed your final year, final semester? Yes. Expected final year result declaration month. So if you already you have the your results, so you can choose as already completed. Okay, and if you don't have, you can choose from here. Okay, they have options till 2026. So if you don't have your results, okay, so you can choose the month accordingly. Now again, CV, important part. Let's upload the CV. Passport size photograph. So I'm just using my passport size photograph. I should have my photograph. Let me check. Okay, so this kind of photograph, government ID, PAN card. Okay, so they are asking about the PAN card details. After filling the PAN card details, do you consider yourself to have a disability? No. Declaration we need to give. Yes, I agree. and I agree. Yes. Okay. I agree. I agree. I agree. Let's click on submit. So let's check our OTP. Let's confirm and submit. Let's click on confirm and submit. So you can see here it's registration successful. Your registration process is complete. We will send future updates on your registration email ID. You will receive the WhatsApp communication if you have provided the consent. Regards Accenture recruitment team. So our registration process here is successful. Okay. So this is a step-by-step registration process for Accenture registration, which you guys were asking about the doubts. Okay. And thank you so much for watching this video. The login credentials. Okay, and my registration is perfectly successful because you guys were asking how to do the registration. The whole process I have already completed. I also got the registration successful mail. So I hope you guys like this. Thank you so much for watching.